children, look at the latest machine I built. It is an excavator. And a big one this time. I started with the main frame, which is the base for the big excavator. It includes a joint in the middle so the excavator can turn in each direction. Together with the axis, the excavator has no wheels but two chains. They are helping the excavator driving on almost any type of ground. Of course, those chains have to be secured so the excavator won't lose them while crawling on the ground. With the base finished, I attached the main cabin to the main body of the excavator. Inside you will find a strong motor and technical things like the hydraulic for rotating the arm. Last but not least, I added the arm of the excavator together with its huge shovel at the end and put the main body on the base. Here you can see the finished excavator. It is a powerful machine helping at multiple places. I can't wait to use it for the first time. Let's see the excavator in action in a construction zone.